Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we are a minimalist family who is living big with less, and this is episode 2 in my series about bite-sized minimalism, taking on small challenges to get your home minimalized and decluttered one small bite at a time. And today we are decluttering one of my favorite places, which is the bathroom. And I think that this can be one of those places where we end up with the strangest array of stuff that we're either not using or empty bottles or things that just need to go to where they belong. So today I'm going to tackle it all and take you guys along with me. Alright guys, I am in my ensuite bathroom, which comes off our main bedroom. It's a tight space and we have these great cupboards. To be honest, most of our family's stuff lives in here, but I actually bought our hair basket and the kids' toothbrush basket from their bathroom so that when I'm in the process of going through all these things, if I find anything in here that needs to live in this bathroom, I can switch it out, vice versa. So excited to get this done today. But if you are looking for some more encouragement, if you are playing along with us, please join us in our Facebook group. It is called Small Changers. I'll leave it down here linked for you. But we have had so much fun in there already. Getting to talk to and interact with you guys has been wonderful, and everyone in the group is such a great cheerleader. So if you are looking for some encouragement, come and join us over there and share with us your before and afters. I'm going to take my before shot now, then we're going to get started on getting this tackled. We have been minimalist for a long time now, so a lot of these spaces are really pared down, but I wanted to show you that no matter how pared down you are, that it's always a good process to go through these places again and again and make sure that they're still serving you the best way they possibly can. All the time, I'm thinking about it all the time. Empty boxes and bottles and containers can be one of the biggest culprits for clutter in the bathroom. So even just getting rid of those things is going to make a huge difference. In my bathroom, I always end up with the most random stuff because we come home from holidays and things end up in here. So it's a great idea to just go through, and while I'm doing that, I'm also attacking any jobs that I see. So I'm giving everything a good clean. I'm filling up any bottles that I know need to be. I'm consolidating. If I've got 2 bottles open of conditioner, I'll consolidate them into one. And it just helps the whole area to flow much better. It's real, cause I can get them out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him, nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. If you are a mama of little girls, I highly recommend having a hair basket. It is an absolute game changer for me in the mornings. I have absolutely everything I need to do their hair. I've got hairspray, bobby pins, all sorts of different hair accessories, and it means I can do their hair wherever we are. If I need to chuck it in the car, if I need to do it in the lounge or in one of the bathrooms, it's really easy for me to send a little girl in, grab the whole basket, and have everything I need in one spot. In this top cupboard, I keep everything we use every day, including these awesome reusable earbuds. You can clean your ears and then you wash them, and it saves the environment, and they're also super practical. I'll link them down below. They're just from Amazon, but I do try and keep this top cupboard as a only things that we're using every single day that live here, so that it's really clear and easy to use in the morning and it's not cluttered with things that we don't need all the time. Okay guys, I have been top to bottom through these cupboards, and again, small space, so much stuff leaving. So this stuff is, like always, I've broken them up into 3 groups. Stuff that I'm keeping but lives somewhere else, stuff that is trash or leaving the house, and stuff that is staying in the space. I find this really helpful, especially if you get caught up in all sorts of little piles everywhere. 3 is really manageable, and then when you just work through those after you're finished. Now what I'm going to do is just move this stuff that belongs down the bottom back into this cupboard nice and organized, and then take all this stuff away. One of the reasons I love starting with cleaning products, bathroom products when you're on a journey to minimalism is chances are there's not a lot of sentimental attachment to it. It's really satisfying, and it's somewhere you're guaranteed to be using every single day. So you're getting huge bang for your buck by starting somewhere like your bathroom. So I want to get this back in and I'll show you the afters.
Saying yeah. I wanna now. Yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do.
I have just finished and I am so happy with how it looks. It definitely would have taken me less than 15 minutes, even putting all the stuff back in all the locations, getting rid of the trash, and setting up all the things that I decluttered back into the kids' bathroom. I'll show you the kids' bathroom cupboards in a minute, just so you can get a little idea of what I keep in each bathroom. But most of it was just going through, giving it a really good clean out and getting items together, getting rid of all those empty boxes and getting stuff back to where it belongs. So in this top cabinet that we have, it's kind of like a medicine cabinet style. It's where I keep the stuff that we're accessing every single day. So deodorants, this is my makeup, hair things, moisturizers, toothbrushing, all of that. That lives up here. And in our bottom cupboard, I do keep my hair straightener, which I do still use every day, but it's too awkward to keep up here, as well as my hair dryer, my hair cutting things, because I cut like everybody's hair, and that's pretty much it. The only other thing I keep down here is just some toothpaste and toothbrush heads for when we're ready to swap them out. I just like to have a small stash of those on hand for if we run out. So aside from that, everything is done. Like I said, it took me under 15 minutes. Please, if you are giving this a go, let me know down in the comments below. I absolutely love to hear how you went. So now I'll flick to the after shot so you can see both this cupboard and the other cupboard all done. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys are going to go and tackle your bathrooms. I cannot wait to see what you guys get done and how great they look after you're finished. Please always feel free to tag me or use the hashtag #smallchanger. Otherwise, we would absolutely love for you to come and join us in our community over at Small Changers at Facebook. So I'll leave all of those links down below if you want to follow me on any of the other socials, and I love talking to you down in the comments. Here are some other videos I think you might like. If you are new, we would love it if you would hit subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.